Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how we can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. To get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. There we go. Next, we're gonna navigate to the settings. And here you want to select Import, Export Contacts. Choose where you want to import them from. For me, that's going to be my SIM card, which is the Mobile Vikings. Okay. And then it asks me where I want to import the contacts to. You can choose where you want. I'm going to select Phone. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. And you can quickly select all of them by clicking right here on this box. And maybe you want most of them. You could still utilize that box and then deselect contacts that you don't want. From there, click on OK, and this will import all selected contacts, and when you go back, you should have access to them in the list now. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.